What's up guys, you know who it is, it's Rally. In today's video, I'm getting a downpipe installed all the way straight from KDMTUNERS. This is the first time I do business with them, and it took a little bit longer than I expected to get the downpipe, but the reason why is because if they don't have any in stock, they have to pretty much make them. So I understand that part, so that's not an issue. The price was really good, and quality, guys, the quality of the pipe and all the welds and everything on it is superb. The install was a little bit tough, but that's why I go to a shop. And the boys at AutoCreations, Edwin, Jesse, you guys did an awesome job. I'm very happy with the outcome. So both shout out to KDMTUNERS. I'm gonna have the link down below. This is not an install video, well, it's an install video, just kidding. We're gonna keep it rolling. We're keeping it rolling. It's an install video, but it's not a how-to video. If you guys want to see a step-by-step how-to video, I'll put a link down below to KDMTUNERS website, where they go through every single step and show you the ins and outs, tips and tricks on how to get the downpipe in. If you guys want to order one from their website, again, the link will be down below. Honestly, guys, I've only had it on for yesterday and today, but man, that thing sounds awesome. Honestly, it does. You guys already know I'm never gonna tell you guys a lie or tell you guys to buy a product that I don't believe in or that I haven't used myself. Again, like I said, it's very early, but still, guys, the sound is amazing. I'm running it to my setup exhaust, so I actually put the exhaust setup, a clip of it in this video. So if you guys ever had any questions of how my setup is, you guys are gonna go able to see the hole underneath of my car. But yeah, guys, enough ranting, enough of me talking. And the reason why I didn't say all this at the AutoCreations, because they had music going on, and of course I'm not gonna kill their vibe and tell them to turn their music off so I can talk. You guys already know, no copyright claims around here, so that's why I kind of shoot it this separately. But yeah, anyway, on to the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, go ahead and drop a like button. Again, if you guys want to check out this downpipe for your Veloster, go ahead and hit the link down below. Go give them a follow. Go give AutoCreations a follow. If you're out here in the valley where I live, anything you need done to your car, hit up my boy Jesse, Edwin. So let's get this video rolling.